Tougher restrictions have come into force in Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland to try to slow the spread of Omicron. Figures for the 25th, 26th and 27th of December in Scotland are the highest number of daily COVID cases recorded since the start of the pandemic.
COVID passes, please. Thank you very much.
At the Hippodrome in Birmingham, the show goes on, whilst new rules in other parts of the UK have brought fresh restrictions. New restrictions in Scotland now mean table service for hospitality, nightclubs are closing and limits on the number of people attending different events. In Northern Ireland, indoor seated events can go ahead, but groups are limited to 6 in hospitality settings and it's recommended household mixing is reduced. Indoor events are capped in Wales and groups of 6 can meet in pubs and cinemas. In England, Plan B remains in place and no new rules have come into force.
So from today we need to take off some of the tables so the customers can keep the distance 1 metre between each other.
At the Black Sheep Cafe in Edinburgh, it's Groundhog Day. The rules of social distancing are back.
We are a little bit worried and concerned about the next few months. Unfortunately, we cannot do anything. We just need to keep going.
In Belfast, this clothes shop owner is grappling not just with restrictions, but also starting a new business, having only opened during the pandemic. Now there are more rules to follow to give people in retail outlets more space.
And at the end of the day, we are a brand that is based around the community, and our only concern as a brand is that everyone that comes into the store, their health and well-being is put first.
Even though no new restrictions have come into force in England, high COVID cases are leading to staff shortages, impacting events and services in other ways. Back at the Hippodrome in Birmingham, Boxing Day performances had to be cancelled when a key cast member was forced to isolate. The pantomime villain is COVID, nearly meaning this family couldn't go to the ball. This isn't a traditional image of the festive season, but it is the reality of Christmas 2021. Lisa Holland, Sky News, Birmingham.